Patients ask us all the time if we get adjusted. Yes, we do. We get adjusted multiple times a week depending on what's going on. Good. Good. Hi guys, it's Dr. Cassie Stringer here. I'm down at Resport in Old Town with our good friend Dr. Sean Cooney.
Hey there.
Patients ask us all the time if we get adjusted. Yes, we do. We get adjusted multiple times a week depending on what's going on. Dr. Cooney's going to get me adjusted today, but I'm first going to adjust him full spine in his office today. So, Dr. Cooney, if you want to go ahead and go face down for me.
Absolutely.
Let me get your face paper first, sir.
Sure.
And it's Sunday today, so we're in our comfortable clothes, if you will. Just gonna get some movement here in the ribs and thoracic spine. Dr. Cooney's busy all week adjusting patients, so he's very locked up. A lot of tightness here. Take a deep breath in, all the way up, and just relax. Good. Look up for me, and breathe all the way out. I'm gonna have you lay with your right side up, Dr. Cooney. A little bit of a high table here, buddy. Just relax. Good. Gonna go the other side. Just relax. Really tall table. And we're gonna adjust the neck here. You got a headache today or anything?
Nope, going.
Good. Here we are, sir. There we go, we turned the power on today. Gonna be ready for a long work week.